Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we bring you the best gaming tips, tricks and tutorials. Today we are diving into an important topic, how to play Clash of Clans after you have deleted your account. Whether it was an accidental deletion or a fresh start you are after, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Let's start from our home screen. Open Clash of Clans application. First, let's talk about what happens when you delete your Clash of Clans account. If you are linked to a Supercell ID, Google Play or Apple Game Center, your progress might not be gone forever. However, if you have manually deleted your data and didn't back it up, you will need a workaround. But don't worry, we'll discuss all the possibilities. If you have linked your account to a Supercell ID, here is what you need to do. Reinstall Clash of Clans, log into the Supercell ID and verify your account. Now, if you didn't link your account to a Supercell ID but use Google Play or Game Center, the process is similar. Just log in with same credential you used before. If you didn't back your account or want to start fresh, here is how. Reinstall the game, start a new game, link to the Supercell ID. This time, make sure to create and link a Supercell ID to save your progress. And always link your account to Supercell ID. Regularly back up your game through your device settings. Keep your Supercell ID credentials safe. And that's it. Whether you are recovering your old account or starting a brand new village, you now know how to get back into Clash of Clans.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.